Hi, Emiliano.
Hi.
Show me what you got. It's Play-Doh from Marvel. And he has Captain America and Iron Man.
I got Mama Man.
Yeah.
Mama Man.
Let's see. Let's see what you got, Emiliano. Green Play-Doh. Okay. Let's see what else. What else you got? What is that? Let's open it.
Hi. That's one.
Another Play-Doh. Red Play-Doh. Okay, let's see what you got there. Can you take all the things out from the bag, please?
Yeah.
Okay. So what you got?
Play.
You're gonna play?
Play.
Okay. What is that?
Play.
Okay. So let's see what else you got.
Hello.
Huh? Okay, show me what else you got. Here is the star from Captain America. Nice. What else you got?
Huh?
You got the feet. And you got another feet.
I done.
So let's see what you got inside. Let's see what else you got inside. Okay, the green Play-Doh. Let's see what else. And red Play-Doh. Okay. So let's play with it. Okay, so here
Here.
we got one face.
Face.
This one is from Captain. I'm sorry for. Let's put it back. So this one is Iron Man. So let's put it on the red one. This one is Iron Man. Who's this? Iron Man.
Iron Man.
Yeah. Okay. And then we got Captain America. Who's this? Captain America. Yes. Okay. So now let's open Iron Man. And let's get the Play-Doh.
Hello.
Yeah. Do you like it?
Sit.
See?
Sit.
Okay. So let's get the Play-Doh.
Hello.
Yeah.
No más.
No más?
No más.
Okay, so let's close Iron Man face. And let's put it here. So here you have your Iron Man. So Emiliano, what are you gonna do is let's put Play-Doh here. Just a little bit. Emiliano, let's put it inside.
Hi.
Yeah.
Inside.
And then you're gonna put this in here and just push it. Emiliano, push this. No, push this. Push. Let's see. Emiliano. What's that? Let's see. Look. Wow. That's so cool. You want to do it again?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so let's do it again. We put it here. And then we push. Look. Wow! You like it?
Sí.
So here is this.
Terminar.
¿Terminaste?
Sí.
And then here we have the star from, who's this? From Captain America. So we are gonna create a star from Captain America. Here is the star. So here we get Captain America. And this is... So here is Captain America. You like it? And let's do the other one for Iron Man. So let's do it again. So we push and let's put this. Let's see how it goes. Oh, there we go. So here we got Captain America and Iron Man. Thank you for watching Emiliano and Silvana's channel. Emiliano, say bye.
Bye.